This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
That one on. My music. No music.
I'm playing my opening while I'm peeling an orange.
Got music.
I'm hearing something come from somewhere. I don't know where. Figure it out later.
Me. Day is this?
Okay, looking good. We're early. 20 seconds early. You can't beat that.
I ain't there yet.
I am.
Ready?
As long as one of us is up and running, we're early. Doesn't matter who. Did we miss anything? A little bit of a dump. Yep. Wow. Looky, looky. So, you ready to talk markets yet? Or are you still setting up? Because we got some interesting things here.
Just setting up. You kind of jumped the gun on me.
Okay, I'll take my time. Keep eating my orange. You showed up into Discord at 1:13. Oh, he's running. Maybe that was a pee-pee break. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Well, oh yeah, we're streaming again. Yeah, we are. We'll stream in the afternoon, see what's going on. Get my thing. Let me do a sound check. Let me do a sound check the old-fashioned way. Oh, sounds good. That's all we need. I don't know where Omnius ran off to. Maybe he's got a pizza in the oven. The oven rang. At least that's what I would like to believe. Okay. Get my earpiece in. He's back. Okay, connected. Coming along.
Okay.
Live. Okay. Pizza's ready. Took it out of the oven.
Live streaming again, Butters. If you want to hang out. If not, we don't have to. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? Back back again for take 2 with the futures floor.
Yeah, let's see if we can do better in the afternoon than we did in the morning. It is.
Good afternoon.
It's an afternoon delight.
If we're going to stream in the afternoon, I'll have to get used to saying good afternoon.
Yeah. Okay, well, I can take this out.
I'm more of a good morning type of person.
We already got a short entry. Do we want to take it? Ooh, just above VWAP. Nope. Anybody got anything to say before I start?
Yeah, I don't know why my cameras are off, and I blame you.
Before I start yapping, your cameras aren't off. I see you.
No, the video.
Don't know what you're talking about. I see everything. I see your charts. I see me. I see you. I see the thing above me with your bull. I see your RSI.
So I give you a cone head.
Shut up. I give you a cone head. Okay.
What kind of bot?
I had a short at 19, but I didn't take it because Omnius was threatening me with a cone head. Omnius was threatening me with cone head status.
I got a stream elements message, and then it got deleted about a bot. Man, are the computers going crazy today? What's going on?
Nightbot, stream elements, looks like your last year's model. Stop posting. Warning. Message deleted by Nightbot. View deleted message.
Did Nightbot delete stream elements?
I don't know. See again, you're using
Nightbot did. Nightbot deleted the stream elements.
You're using a middleman again. Nightbot and stream elements like line 6 and Prism.
Wait, stream elements got put in timeout?
That's a man that likes to make his life difficult.
That's funny right there.
Yeah, they're fighting it out.
That's funny right there. You know, stream elements is basically Nightbot.
Probably. What did we get while we were gone? I don't remember what time we left at, but I was saying if we get over 24,650 and we hold, I'd probably expect us to continue higher. But I did also say that, you know, the markets are funny. Sometimes they do that, and they come right back inside again. And it's exactly what happened. We got back inside. Now we're below that level. We're below the previous day's low, and we're below VWAP. So it is what it is.
Stop playing with your VWAP.
Yeah, look for shorts. That's all I can say.
Shorts. Yes, looking for shorts.
Anybody know if there's a bar timer on TradingView? You know, like there is here in the corner of my chart there. That countdown, 14, 13, 12. Do you know if TradingView comes with that feature?
Doesn't necessarily have a countdown, but it does have a clock that you can enable right next to the price.
Right next to Christ? I don't have Christ on my...
Maybe you should. Why don't you?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't know how to work this thing. I'll have to ask GPT to point me in the right direction, I guess.
What did you ever do before GPT?
I didn't know how to do anything. I Googled. Yes, TradingView counts down the bar.
I don't know. How do you do
I Googled it. That's how you do it. Either that or you read the what is it, RTFH, read the fucking manual, RTFM.
I think about all that stuff. It's on the price line. Don't knock the bottom like Ninja Trader.
Yeah. Oh, I see it. Yeah, but it's just the time. 13, 22, 47, 48. It's not a countdown. It's just the time.
Yeah, that's all I got.
It's good enough for me, though. It's all I needed. I just need to know when the minute was going to end. I just want to see something here.
No, you also have a clock on your computer and a clock on your screen.
No, I'm looking on my laptop. My laptop has a clock, but it doesn't show. And, no, we're good. All's good. All's good that ends well. All's well that ends well. 570, 577. So weird how they don't match.
Think the countdown is default with the chart for trading view?
Yeah. I didn't know what he said. I just said, yeah.
Mine's got a clock. I don't see a countdown.
Make him happy.
Yeah, I guess I'd probably help if I wasn't on the hourly chart. Sorry, guys. It's been one of those days for me. Yes, it does have a countdown. You find it, Mike?
No, I don't need it. I'm good. I got the time. It's good enough. Time counts up. I count down. You know, if I see 13, 24, 50.
It's right there by the price.
Not mine.
You have to go to the settings, enable it. Come on, man.
That little gear. Countdown to bar close. Yeah, I see it. Countdown to bar close.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
When you gonna give me the Joe Biden? Come on, man.
Come on, man. You old pony dog trick rider.
I feel like we need that. Why do we not got that? What happened to the pop-ups?
Yeah, we got to get that.
We need the Joe Biden, come on, man, and we need the Donald Trump. It's going to be great. It's going to be so great. We're going to win so much, we're going to be tired of winning.
Come on, Macron.
Come on, man.
I said Macron, the French Prime Minister. Come on, Macron.
What was it? I think the Canadian guy used to say something too, but
yeah. Taxes. More taxes. That's what he used to say.
Is that what he used to say?
I don't know.
Nah, he had something.
What the fuck off?
I don't think he said that. I think that was Joe Biden again. Joe Biden said, "You didn't build that." What a trade. One of the best trades of your whole entire life. Great job, Butters. Maybe the best trade ever. Was a really incredible trade. Is that the Donald Trump? You're going to be winning so much, you're going to be tired of winning. You're going to want to lose a little bit.
I'm tired. That's my Trump impression. It sounded just like him.
I even read it in the Trump voice. I heard it in the Trump voice.
I'm doing so well in this account. Let's continue.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Let's continue.
Let's continue. I took a short at 95. Which chart are you guys looking at?
I'm looking at my chart. Hope you're looking at yours.
I am. I'll add to this if we get another bearish Renko bar. That's what I'm trading right now. We got the bands. I'm using...
Yeah, a bit big, isn't it?
We got the... yeah, VWAP just a little bit above me, but I'm not going to factor VWAP into the equation at all. I'm going to ignore VWAP like it ain't even there. Because I used to say, oh, let's just get the VWAP. Oh, let's just get over VWAP. And then I see the previous day's low just about, oh, let's just go in. And before you know it, I have a $500 loss and I was only risking 80 bucks. Nope. Not doing that anymore.
That's why I try to only use VWAP as an excuse not to take a trade.
Yeah, it sounds like me. That's what I used to say. It's what I do say.
Though I will admit, I still do take trades off VWAP.
Yeah.
Oh man, I was doing some DGen trading last night.
I prefer to, yeah.
He's been yelling at me.
I missed it.
Missed it. I was yelling at myself. I was looking in the black mirror saying, what the fuck is wrong with you, man? You know what the black mirror is, right?
I don't know. It sounds like something from like, you know,
you ever watched the show Black Mirror?
No.
It's the screen, phone or the computer screen.
I thought it was more like that thing, mirror,
You
mirror on
never
the
seen the show
wall.
Black Mirror, man?
Who's
I
the
seriously
fairest
don't know
of
if
them
we could be
all?
friends. Never seen
I don't get
Fringe.
this. I don't get direct TV like you do over there. We're
Never
in
seen
Canada. We're
Fringe.
censored.
Never seen Idiocracy. Never seen Black Mirror. It's on Netflix.
We don't get Netflix. We get Netflix Canada.
Have you ever watched any cool movies?
90% of our content has to be Canadian content. You ever watch Canadian content? How boring it is?
No. Do they say A lot?
They probably do. I could smell this trade is going to cost me money.
Hey.
Hey? It really just doesn't want to get below my price. Lightened up the load.
Idiocracy is free with ads on YouTube to watch. I know, Butters. I told him that. He won't watch it.
Idiocracy.
Like, that's like a documentary that everybody has to watch in life.
Sounds like it's about politics.
It's
I
a
need a
funny movie.
lollipop.
It was made by who was it? Mike Judd or whatever, the guy that did South Park or King of the Hill or something. Supposed to be a funny movie where you laugh at how stupid people are getting.
Oh, yeah.
And Fringe, that is just right up your alley. I can't believe you ain't watched that one.
Never heard of it. I'll write it down. I'll take a look. Too many notes. Once you get too many notes, they kind of...
Might start over again with the kids. Start watching it from first season again. Kid watched it and now he goes to school and starts talking to the other kids about alternate realities. And
I knew it was going to stop me out. It's a good thing I lightened up. Go fuck yourself. I love it.
damn.
I more than lightened up. I reversed my position. I didn't even notice. I went long. I thought it was gonna. I was gonna say, fuck! I knew it was gonna take money from me. So not only did I make money on the short, I made money by reversing it and going long. Some days everything goes right, even when it goes wrong. Right?
Is this one of those days?
It is. Today is my day. I should go buy a lotto ticket.
We are inversing each other.
I should go buy a lotto ticket. That's good.
I'm scared to leave the house the way my day's been going.
Shit, got an entry at 91. I missed it.
We're still going short.
I was playing with my lollipop.
Hey, play with it on your own time.
I was trying to get it out of the wrapper.
Play with it too much, you're going to go blind. What are you laughing about?
I don't know. Someone put laughing powder on this. Shit, damn. Anyways, I can't complain because my short would have been stopped out. Now I would have been really pissed because it did go down. Instead, I made money to the up and made money to the downside.
Sweet.
I didn't even think I would take any trades this afternoon. I already took 3. We just started. It's been 16 minutes. But now I'm not going to have anything for a while. No, that's it. I'm done, and I'm not going to have anything now for a while.
What do you mean you're done?
I'm done. I'm out of the trade.
You a quitter?
This stream is also free with ads, by the way, on YouTube if you guys want to watch our stream.
Hotkeys not working? think every program I use has had some kind of issue today.
How's Tampa Bay going to do in this year's hockey season? Talk to me. You have inside information. You live close to their arena.
Who, me?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know anything about Tampa Bay's. Only one I've ever been to was the Iceman.
Oh, yeah, it's true. You told me about them.
You said you don't like them because they're not pro enough for you.
The Viking.
What? Viking?
The Vikings, the Iceman.
Are they Vikings?
The Norwegian Iceman.
I don't know who all the Vikings are, man. What about volleyball? You watch that? They got a Vikings volleyball team.
Not since my wife got spiked in the face.
Nice.
No, that wasn't. A long time ago. We were playing at this...
Wait, did you spike your wife in the face?
No, I was on her team. Look, I told her not to play in the front. But she really ate the ball, and it wasn't like a soft one. I felt bad for her. If she's listening, I'd tell her about it. Remind her. She'll remember.
My wife's always trying to drag me to the Vikings volleyball game.
I don't know if that's a game to watch. It's fun to play. I don't know. Doesn't seem like a spectator sport. Maybe just because I never watched it.
Women's volleyball?
Of course. With you, it'd have to be women's volleyball. I should have known.
Look, I can't control who plays the volleyball. I'm just telling you, the wife's always trying to drag me to the game.
Indoor or on the beach?
Indoor.
On the beach is pretty fucking nauseating, to be honest with you. You're all sweaty. You're falling in the sand. You're getting covered in sand. That's not fun. That's not
me pleasant. Because I don't play volleyball. Be the girls falling in the sand. Getting all sandy and sweaty. I think there's a girls softball or something also.
There
we go. There's our push.
Yeah. I took it, even though I said I wasn't going to take another trade. Kind of was like an impulsive trade, but I was trying something else. I don't know. I think I kind of have an impossible to lose system.
Still feel like I look dark on your screen.
You are? You're tanned. Oh, you mean like you're in the dark? Yeah, the lighting is a little...
I added another light. The
boss fix it.
The boss told me to go get another light. I didn't argue. Didn't fuss, right? Went on break. Went and got a fucking light because the boss told me to put another light up. Look, right? Look.
You didn't even... And you didn't even have to ask him to repeat it. Here, let me light you up. Let me put a filter on it and tell me what you think. Color correction. Gamma. Yeah. How's that?
I gotta wait 20 seconds. Might have worked a little bit, huh? You know, I could always just click on Discord. How'd you put a filter on it? Where do I get filters?
Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah,
that's not bad. Let me just try brightness. Hold on. No, that brightness doesn't work. Brightness fades everything.
No, man, you get filters. I don't. Mango. You guys think this goes down? Yes, Mango. I think right now it's going down. How you doing today? Mike, you think this is going down?
I do. I do. Wango Tango. Who sang that song? Was that Van Halen? Van Halen? Wango Tango. Mr. Mango.
Sounds to me like you're just losing it.
Gotta keep myself awake. There you go. I gave you a gamma at 25.
Oh, yeah, it's your nap time, isn't it?
Ted Nugent was Wango Tango? I think so. That makes sense.
Was it?
Yeah, I'm not making up the song, man.
Oh, Uncle Ted. Good, good. Mango, you in a short? Look, you told me to get another light. I got another light. I even put tape on the door handle. See?
I told you put a plant there.
No, I didn't have a plant. Now the wife's gonna come home and be like, why the fuck is there tape on the door handle?
Why can't I come in? Mike's playing with his lollipop. That's why you gotta wait. Oh, sorry. Futures. We want to protect our government name. Futures.
Look, everybody can choose whether to have their name, their real name, their fake name, their mama's name, whatever.
I agree.
Mango says, good, good. He wants to go down.
Nope, just got a trade here at 63. Shit, I can get in at 68. Come on, Mike. Pick up the speed here.
What are you looking at?
Fuck off.
No, you fuck off.
Ah, it was at 68. I had an entry at 63. That was 5 points better. By the time I got my fucking hand on the mouse, man. I missed it. 5 points better is huge. That makes it a 1-for-1 at 73%.
I believe this is the same guy that's always telling me to
keep it clean.
Down. Yeah, keep it clean.
Well, we're only streaming on your channel today, so.
At night in bed, also, you can call me. Any name you want. I got. Who? Mike, you deleted that message? Oh,
where did you get that from? I don't have that.
Oh, man. Who deleted? I didn't know what the blocked out meant. I guess I wasn't supposed to read that. Guys, y'all didn't hear that.
Whose stream is that on?
It's on your stream. You deleted it.
No, I didn't delete anything.
Oh, likely story.
Oh, what's going on? I'm confused. I missed my trade. Anyways, we're at 53 already. Short was at 63. I could have gotten in at 68. And I missed it.
I don't think I've deleted anybody's message on my stream.
I missed another 15-pointer.
Because of that message you got, I got you all bothered. Don't call me your mom's
Ma!
What if he says,
turn the TV down?
What if he says, oh, you're my sister. Oh, you're my sister. Huh? Mike, you know what movie that is?
Yep.
What?
Fringe.
Fringe? It's Joe Dirt, man. Don't tell me you've never seen Joe Dirt either.
It sounds like that's with Jack Black.
Oh, my goodness.
I'm not a Jack Black fan.
JC.
But I don't know if it's with Jack Black.
JC, will you please let Mike watch some movies? The guy don't know nothing.
I watched Benny Johnson.
Ain't never seen Idiocracy. Ain't never seen Fringe. He don't even know who Joe Dirt is.
Yeah, it was Meet Joe Dirt, no? Wasn't that the name of the movie? Be Joe Dirt? I am Joe Dirt? What was the name of the movie?
I give up.
The name of the movie was just Joe Dirt? That's it? Dirty Joe.
Go watch Barney with your wife. You watch Barney?
We used to. When the kids were small.
What kind of movies your wife like?
I don't know. I mean, she likes the romance. She loves the narco-style movies. Drug cartels. Movies with big purple men. Not sure what that is. X-Files. We were a fan of X-Files. Joe Dirt is a classic. I think Mike would like it. I'm not watching.
He hasn't seen any of these movies.
Not watching a movie with Biden.
It's Joe Dirt, man. It's like hold on, what's the one movie? You'd be like, I ain't never seen that. What about
Scarface?
Forrest Gump. You seen Forrest Gump?
I saw Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump is very good.
Joe Dirt's like a trailer park version of Forrest Gump.
Oh yeah. Who's in it? Is it Jack Black?
It's Joe Dirt. And
Joe Dirt? That's his real name?
Kid Rock's in it.
Kid Rock. Oof. Load it up. We're going to watch it at supper time. David Spade. David Spade is okay. What it is. It's not that good, but he's okay. It's not my favorite.
It's probably one of his better movies. Come on.
$56, $64, $62, $46. Sorry, guys. Just running some numbers in the head.
What about Spartacus? You seen that one?
I saw 300.
No, I think this one was on I think it was a series.
I'm not a TV watcher anymore. In the old days, I used to watch TV a lot. Not anymore. Not a big TV fan.
Yeah, that's it. Spartacus.
Last movie I saw,
may like it or she might not. It's either one way or the other.
Yeah, the last movie I saw like that was Caligula.
A lot of guts and gore and.
Oh yeah, I like that if it's done well. Who doesn't like good guts and gore?
Might be a lot of nudity also.
In which one? Spartacus?
Yeah.
Yeah, in those times, sure.
It's
they didn't have a lot of change of clothes.
It's definitely a show by itself.
That's a show, yeah. Like that other one there, King of Thrones or whatever.
No, nothing like that.
I didn't watch that show either. Okay, cancel my order. I missed it. I was offering it 62. It was there when I did it. I just clicked join ask, but too bad, didn't get filled. Timing was good.
Damn it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't really have much below us. I mean, we break down and there's not really a lot there. What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think? Do you think?
I think.
What do you think? Shit.
Do we go back and test the low or do we not? Butters, do we go back and test the low or do we not? What do you think?
Wow. Decent range today. 300 points. Oh my God, that's nothing. To be honest with you. Actually, it could be 400 points if we're using the whole day.
Hey, guy that may or may not be Mike. Since we're not supposed to use government names. We should start a what do you think section.
Let me check my chart. Are we going to today's? Are we going to take out the lows? Butters, what do you think?
I got it. We'll get JC to come up with a nickname for you.
We'll put up. She already has a nickname for me.
We don't want to know that one.
I just can't repeat it here because
you keep that one to yourself.
Because you're going to see she calls you that. And you're still married?
Be like puppy love face or something.
Oh, no. I could see hitting the lows. I'm not sure, though. Yeah, we're never sure. Let me see. Let me take a look at the 1 hour. Well, there is no bullish case right now at the moment. The only bullish case is we're going to just reverse off here, or you can say maybe we're going to form a higher low. But if you're going with the current move is down.
Well, for the time being, I wouldn't be looking for any kind of longs. You
know? No, me neither.
We've been in this market lately where everybody's looking for the top and the bottom, and they're absolutely getting destroyed. So I don't think I'd be trying to find the top or the bottom.
No.
Look, if it says it's going down, just keep looking for short entries. If it says it's going up, just keep looking for long entries.
Yep. Picking up some speed, eh? To the downside.
Okay.
Hey. We're at the London session lows right here, so potentially we could see a bit of a pause. Maybe a bit of a small reversal. Oh, I just remembered what that was.
What was it?
No, what I wrote on my hand.
AI?
No, IO.
IO. Oh, I know what that is.
What?
Original,
I didn't say OI, I said IO.
Oh, I'm thinking IA, right? Original Angel.
Mm. I don't see how it could have been that, though, but anyways, you just reminded me of one thing I need to get done. Oh,
you know what
my
else
to-do
shows
list
up on
is
my
large.
camera now that didn't before?
That little VC.
The door handle.
That little logo on the bottom?
I'm a light over there. I had to turn it off.
Oh, I didn't
Never
notice.
had an issue. All this time, never a single issue with that light. Now all of a sudden, there's an issue.
Didn't even notice it. You were the only one who noticed it.
So does anybody like trading this session? Should we maybe stream the session a little bit more?
I think a lot of people like the afternoon session. I think a lot of people come back for
the Butters. It's in Skeletor. There was a mango.
Look at the Mango 6463. Can you imagine? There's 6,463 people
like
who use the word mango as their.
People like mangoes. Maybe that's his locker combination at school.
Who's Mango 0001? Who got that one? Who's the
I don't think
original
it matters
mango?
if somebody has your name, does it? Can't everybody like have the same name? Haha, I
No,
heard you.
not
See,
sure.
he likes mangoes.
Not sure. I like mangoes.
What do you want his name to be? Mango on the floor?
You know what? Don't eat the mangoes that fall on the floor. Not even with the 10-second rule or the 5-second rule, whatever seconds it is. Leave the dirty mangoes.
You start with the 10-second, and if you don't make it, you go to the 30-second. Everybody knows that.
Mm.
Mango, you still in the short trade?
And that lollipop went fast.
Yeah, the way you were sucking on it.
And I didn't even keep the stick. I have another one? I do. Yellow. Who wants yellow? Who even makes yellow lollipops? What flavor is that? Lemon?
Lemon.
Yeah, that's popular with the kids. That's probably why
You
I
say
have
yellow because I just had a yellow Gatorade a little bit ago. Stole from my son because I ran out of mine. That's how I knew it was lemon. They count them things too. He's going to come home. He's going to say, "Who took my Gatorade?"
Yeah, that was lemon. It wasn't good. You didn't miss anything.
Well, son, I took your Gatorade. I said, "Dad, you know you got your own Gatorades." But we're color coded in our house. He gets the white or the yellow. The girl gets the blue. I get the red.
I gotta think blue's the best. Just saying.
Yeah, fight the girl. Go ahead. Putting my money on the girl.
Well, I took a short here at, if I can figure out where I'm short at. 551. Wow. Looks like go short, it's easy money, eh?
Just keep going short, huh? Until you get stopped out.
Maybe I should let it go. No way.
What?
Wow, that sucks.
That's messed up.
I hate people that do shit like that, you know? It's like such a stupid, impulsive fucking thought. They do it for 1 second, and they go on with their life. They don't even give it a second thought after that for the rest of their existence, and we have to deal with the consequences.
I had somebody key our car years and years ago. It's so stupid.
Mm-hmm.
And then they do it. They want to dig it real far in there where you can't even get it out. Get out the fucking trade. My goodness. I think my hotkeys ain't working.
Mm-hmm.
How can every program be having issues today? Where did it reset my hotkeys? Oh, they might have. Is that for real? Is that for real? My hotkeys changed?
Mm-hmm.
Mike, was. Are we in the Mandela effect? What's going on, man? Be honest with me. My hotkeys.
I don't know, but I think I have to elevate my laptop.
That works right there.
It was a little too warm.
I understand. I'm trying a sim account to see if my hotkeys work.
There we go. What the hell?
It's working just fine. I don't know. Looks like it'll buff out. But what the fuck? I agree, man. That's people like that. I'd like to find them and take them out back and let Joe Biden take care of them. I think when it happened to us, we called the insurance. I think the insurance took care of it. Probably full coverage. I don't know if you got full coverage insurance. Of course, Mike, when people do key your car, they don't write nice things in the side of it.
No.
So it was my wife's car, and had in very big letters the F word right down the side of it.
Oh, yeah.
I think we was at spring break.
Fuck off.
Yep, that's what it said.
I just want revenge.
Yeah, people like that just want revenge. Sorry to hear that happen, though. If you find them, kick them once for me, too. Like, you know what I had one time? I had a hail damage. You ever get that?
Hell yeah.
Oh, man.
We get some big stuff here.
That was some big stuff there, man. I had some pictures that were like freaking golf balls in my hand. Was a flash Helen, I guess. What would you call it?
Flash hail?
Yep,
a flail.
Flash hail. Flail?
A flail. It was a flail.
It was a flail. It was a flash hail. We was at a friend's house too. It wasn't even at our house. We went there. Went to a friend's house for a few days and we're there. We're all outside drinking and stuff, and all of a sudden ice starts falling. It's like, what the hell is that? Is that hell? Damn. And they just kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and they got violent, and it was literally ice all across the ground, like snow almost. It was in South Carolina. I know why they call it hail, because it beat the hell out of my truck.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't get it too often, though. But it's always exciting when it happens.
They said they ain't never seen that before. It's just so weird. We just happened to be there on that day. What are the odds?
1 in 50. Do.
You go there like once every couple years or something. You just happen to be there on that day. Luckily, though, once again, my insurance covered it. They sent me to a guy. He fixed it up all nice. And I think there was like one issue or something, but he fixed it.
Mm.
No, I remember what the issue was. So he was just pulling out the fixing the hail spots, and he pulled one up and he didn't quite like it. And he's like, let me try this. And he tried something else, and he said he messed the paint up. So he repainted the whole front of the truck.
Wow. This
But
was
yeah,
a move.
he's like, yeah, I was right there. I was about done. Didn't quite like it. I thought I'd get a little bit better. Chipped the paint. He said, don't worry. Gonna get taken care of. He did a great job painting it, too. Mango, you get your money? You get the short?
Wow, it's just going lower and lower and lower and lower and lower, eh?
This is almost what you call those free money days, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Just show up. Somehow I've never gotten hail damage. Nope. The only time I ever got it. Suckers were huge, man.
Yeah, they were as
Half time
big
you
as
can't see
golf
my hands.
balls.
They were about that big, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that we don't get too often.
I got a picture somewhere. I got a bunch of them in my hand and a picture of the ground. It's like all over the ground. Like somebody took a bunch of golf balls, just threw them all over the ground.
So we bounced at 450. Is there anything there?
Nope.
There was something that I was seeing that could have caused the bounce. What was it I was saying? What was I talking about?
Before 445?
Yeah.
That would be the starting spot. Really, I'd be looking for the 420s. Just my opinion, though. Can do whatever it wants. Maybe that was the bounce. Got a nice hammer candle. Looks like we're putting in a morning star type of pattern on the 2 minute.
I understand.
Could be either a Harami or a bullish engulfing on the 5 minute. You out over there? What happened?
Who?
You.
Nothing.
Who? What are you, an owl? Who?
Who?
Who? Who? Who?
Who? Hey, who?
Who? Hey? Who?
I increased the size of my font on my laptop. I can actually see my numbers now. I don't have to do this every time to see the entries. Project X, it works on the browser. I don't know why I never thought of it earlier.
Oh, well.
Yeah. Somehow
I just
never
gave
got
up
nailed
with looking
damage.
at the numbers.
I definitely have to code. Oh my God. I got like 80 hours of work just for tonight. I gotta code my bot for the opposite side.
What's it only go long?
I only coded the long side, you know. It was kind of like troubleshooting just to make sure it's working.
Yeah. Here's what you
So
do. You give it the deep stick and you say, this bot wants to go short also.
Yeah, I like to do it. I make myself a coffee, and it's relaxing for me. I like it. If it's complex, I can't do it, so yeah, I'll give it. But for something simple, I'll do it myself.
Isn't it amazing how fast this hour flew by?
Wow, yeah. Is this going to be able to make a decent size bounce from here? Or are we just going to stall out at 24,500?
Did we have home sales today? 25th? Yeah, existing
Yeah.
home sales. We got tomorrow PCE and Michigan sentiment.
Wow, that's nuts.
Wall Street traders drove equities lower as valuation worries overshadowed data, showing the economy is holding up. Well, yeah, when you have stocks at a 40 PE, yeah, they're a bit overvalued, man. Not rocket science. So the ES made that low. The NQ didn't. What's it mean, Mike?
Wait, I'm reading something. Oh, yeah. It's odd. Okay, what were you saying? What does what mean?
ES took the low. NQ did not.
That means that, yeah, it means if you're going to go long, you want to do it in NQ, and if you're going short, you want to do it in ES, because ES is weak and NQ is strong. That's what it means to me.
Kind of a divergence in price.
Mm.
So I was asking you earlier if you heard about that drama with Patrick Whelan.
Oh, yeah, no. Well, you got clarification?
Yeah, I was yesterday. He had the girls on there, so after the stream, I was like looking at the stream, see how the girls were doing,
Mm.
and it was already over. So I fast forwarded a little bit. I started, fast forward a little bit, and then like as soon as the spot I clicked on, it's like all the drama was starting, and apparently the one girl said something about ICT, and he got all mad.
Mm.
Told her not to be saying ICT.
Shut up. He's always saying it, fuck. Now you can't say it on his stream? Bullshit. I call bullshit.
And then they asked her about a trade or something. She goes to explain it, and apparently some word or something she said was apparently an ICT word or something.
Yeah, she used the breaker block.
And then he started yelling at her again.
Mm-hmm. Have I not taught you how to trade?
What'd he say? He says something about I keep telling you not to say ICT. Well, where's ICT got you? Nothing. You've been losing since you've been here. She said it called her retarded or something. Like, what are you, retarded or something?
Yeah. Yeah, she said,
like,
throw back in his face.
Down,
Maybe I've been losing, but I've been losing less than I was when I was using your approach.
It was just awkward. Even the other girls, even before that, they looked awkward. Surprised the other girl didn't get up and walk off. The whole thing looked awkward. She came back to the show, but then I guess she left again. And then I guess she tweeted something about it, and he got mad and told her not to come back.
But I'm your girlfriend.
No, that was another thing. His girlfriend was there too, but she was like in a bra. One of the people was like, you invite these girls over and you got your girlfriend over there in a freaking bra. And
it's a bra, bathing suit. What's the difference?
Well, somebody invites you to their house, and you're walking around in your boxers or your briefs.
Put something on. I agree.
Butters, thing about ICT is he rebranded a lot of already existing trading concepts, so it's almost unavoidable to avoid using an ICT concept. And that's what she was saying.
Butters, that's what I've been saying my whole life too.
She said that she don't even really like ICT. It's just the name of the concept or whatever.
Now a double bottom is a liquidity sweep.
But you don't get mad at a girl that you invited to your house and start yelling at her on stream because she said it was a gap or something. I mean,
you take out a swing high, now it's a change of character. You put a whole bunch of fancy terms. What's the one that just gets to me? The 50%. What does he call it? Menstruation or confluation?
Menstruation?
Yeah, menstruation. We're at the menstruation level. What's the word he uses when you get to 50%?
I don't know.
Consternation, methodication. Yeah, it's a 50% retrace.
Look, that I think that every strategy can work and every strategy cannot work. It depends more on the trader than the strategy. You just got to find something that you like and that you can feel comfortable with and do it.
I'm not an ICT basher. I want to set the record straight here. I'm not an ICT basher.
Sometimes I'll make fun of the guy, but it really don't matter to me either way. If you like it, use it. If you don't use it.
That's it. Just don't believe that it's...
In no way do I believe that that's the end-all, be-all of strategies.
That's it. It's just another strategy with its own accuracy percent, its own win rate, its own average profit, average loss, just the same.
Here's my thoughts on it. You got to go through all that work to do ICT and you still lose. So if your odds are the same, whether you use ICT or whether you use a Bollinger Band or some kind of a
consequent enroachment, that's it. Oh my God, it's 2 words. It's even worse.
You can use a volume profile. Why would you put in that much work just to lose? Now, if you're this expert trader and you want to go through 10 different time frames and look at gaps and look at break of structure and all that, fine. But the average beginner trader is going to do nothing but lose trying to figure out all this ICT stuff.
That's right.
When you should be working on a strategy.
15-minute opening range retest, simple trade. Get your hours in your practice runs on a simple trade like that. Because you know what? When you're a beginner and you're trying to figure out ICT, you don't even know if you're doing it right anyways. You're in this world of uncertainty. Maybe I haven't figured it out because there's so much nuance. and so many variables. You have no idea. You're always lost until you get some mentor to sit down with you and show you. You're never secure in what you're doing. You don't even know if you're in the right thing. But if you're going to do something simple like what I do, a band bounce or a 15-minute opening range retest, you know what you're doing. A full candle over the range.
Then you got all these people telling you, oh, it works. You just did it wrong. Well, I did it how you told me. Oh, well, not that gap. You should have did the other gap. It's like you told me to trade the gap. No, not that one, the other one.
But of all the words, that's the one that just makes the hairs on my arm rise. Consequent encroachment. How did he come up with that? Like, does that actually have a meaning somewhere else? And he applied it? I have to GPT that.
Probably came from somebody else.
I'm GPTing it now. I can't wait. I need to know. Use consequent encroachment in a sentence. Here's a clean example. The town council warned that unchecked construction along the riverbank could lead to flooding and the consequent encroachment of water into residential areas. No kidding.
Nice push-up, huh?
It can be used in a sentence. We've confirmed it. But it means something completely different. Well, it means to... As a consequence, building the riverbank, doing construction along the riverbank can lead to flooding, and consequently the encroachment, the approaching of water into the residential area. So it causes the approaching, but you know what? There's nothing that causes the approach of price into the middle. So he's using it wrong, in my opinion, in that case. If you're taking the literal meaning of the words.
I have no idea.
Nothing has caused the retrace into, or the pullback into the 50%. Because it happens sometimes.
All I know is that for the vast majority of people, mainly the beginners, yes, if you're an expert trader, you can pick any system and you're going to do great. We understand that. But for the majority of beginner traders, that is a whole lot of work just to lose. And I think if I was going to lose that much, I would just rather it be a little bit easier.
Yeah. And again, like I said, just the fact that you're going to be living in a world of insecurity and uncertainty, that kills it for you right there and then.
I'm going to message ICT and I'm going to challenge them to a trade-off. And I'm going to do nothing but the coin flip strategy.
Oh, my God. And then he's going to explain how he lost on purpose just to show that he can come back from $1.
He lost on purpose and the market makers are against them. ICT blocked Patrick also.
Yep, he blocked 3 people. Omnius Trades, Patrick Wieland, and Larry Williams.
Thought about messaging Patrick yesterday. He was on an afternoon stream or something. I thought about messaging. Like, this is a good time to tell you that go Patrick yourself.
Is this a good time?
I gotta tell him my phrase, man.
Yeah, tell him you can use it.
A couple times he didn't reply.
Feel free to use it.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him, yeah, you can use it. Just don't forget who coined the phrase, right?
Woo!
I feel like Patrick would laugh about it.
Yeah.
Oh, apparently the day before yesterday, I guess the girl ran off the stream crying also.
Oh my God. Don't invite her back.
That's what Patrick was saying. He's like, look, y'all are blaming me for this girl running off crying, but what about the day before? It wasn't even my fault. Apparently somebody in the chat called her a fat rhino.
So sensitive. So
Like,
sensitive.
that's kind of messed up. Patrick's like, listen, what was the first thing I told you when you got here? Don't read the chat. He's like, I warned you several
I
times.
thought it was you're a fat rhino.
He's like, I
Oh, it's
warned
the
you
first
several
thing I
times
told you.
not
I
to read the
told
chat.
you.
He's like, what does she do? She reads the chat, and some guy's calling her a fat rhino.
Mm.
I don't know why people like that.
They're
Nobody would say
joking. They
stuff
want to
like
get a
that.
reaction.
Nobody would say stuff like that in real life.
No. Let me try for a 2-lot. Who cares? At this
Long or
point in
short?
the day already, who cares? Short, but it's not based on bias. It's just based on the algo. If I get a full bar above the bands on the 1 minute, I'm out. I'm right on the bands. There's no risk almost on this trade compared to, what the algo does. So I'll turn it into a smaller trade, but I like it. To be honest with you, I'm clicking longs, I'm clicking shorts, everything is hitting. It's just one of those days. It's the exact
that get you
opposite.
in trouble, huh?
No, yeah, if you increase your size, which I didn't do at all.
No, not the size. You start getting a mentality like, man,
Oh, you can't lose.
I'm really good. I can't lose.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. And then you increase size and you get slapped. No, I didn't increase the size at all. Actually, I even cut back a little bit. I resisted the temptation.
Market has a way of humbling people.
Yeah, that's why I said I think I really turned a corner. All those bad habits are kind of gone now. Yes, they do appear every now and then, but so infrequently. I think I've just learned. I learned it's enough. Enough times. How many times do you have to put your hand on the stove to confirm?
What if I lower my bot trade tomorrow?
That wouldn't be unwise. Actually, that would be very smart of you.
Instead of what am I doing? A 5-lot? So
2, 1.
I don't want to do 1, then it hits, but doesn't pass. Please disable strategy. You're right.
10 points. Yeah, then you'd need 10 points. 2-lot, 3-lot.
I do have what? 5-lot. Do a 2 or a 3.
Well, just to let you guys know, if this, I'm already in loss management on this trade, most likely. And if this candle right here does not touch my entry in 8 seconds or less, I have to exit with a bid. 3, 2, 1. Well, it's a nice place to enter. There. Well, how's that? See, like I said, tiny loss. Tiny loss. What was that? 3 points?
I would do a 2-lot, but then it passes and it doesn't.
You said that about the 1-lot.
What's that?
You said that about the 1-lot.
Yeah. Well, sometimes it doesn't really get that much. Like, what was today? Like 12 or 13 points, but some days are like 7.
What the fuck?
I know, right? That's what I said.
Okay, let's have a little fun.
So let's assume we got to pick some number, right? So let's assume 8. Somewhere in the middle. So we do 8. Per contract would be times 2, right? So 16. So times 2 be 32. So really, a 2-lot should do it. I remember I messed it up last time. I feel like I'm gonna mess it up again. Remember last time I didn't want to take the trade. I turned it off because of news. It passed, and then the very next trade failed.
Who makes supper in your house, you or your wife?
Sometimes me, sometimes the wife, sometimes the kid.
No, really? Wow, look at you. Lucky you. We never get the kids to make supper.
Why not?
And just to let you guys know, if anybody new out there, my kids are in the 20s.
Just to let you know, in case there's anybody new out there, my kid's 10.
I'm under. I don't even know what sentence I was going to say. I'm under. Okay, so I took another trade based on the strategy of my bot in 23 seconds. If this is a bullish candle, I will add to the trade, and then based on the close of that candle, I will add 10 points, and that will be my exit. So, you know what? Let me put the, no, not that one. Let me put the 10 for 10, the coin flip. Let's make it a 2. Oh,
All right, I
you know
got it set for a 2-lot. If I miss it by $2, I have to take the trade again another day.
There we go.
It's your fault.
Took it automatically.
And that's my last call on the snooze button.
Took the trade. Supposed to have a take profit in. I'm not sure.
You gonna be hanging out or?
2:30 you're going, yeah. No, let this trade just hit take profit or whatever. I think one of those lines is the take profit line.
11, good afternoon. Are you short or long? I'm neither right now, as I have to go and get my kids. Mike, are you short or long? I think Mike's long.
I'm long.
Butters, I think Butters is getting off also.
Yeah, I'll stick around. Send your crew over to my side of the world, and I'll stick around. I'll trade some more.
11.
There we go. There is a stop.
With Mike from the futures floor. We normally trade together in the morning. Might trade some in the afternoon. If you want to go over to his channel, he might hang out for a little bit. Say hi. Tell him you came from Omnius' channel. You can see him on the stream right there. Mike wave. Good away, buddy. There you go. He is currently long. Looks like he's about to finish that trade.
Yeah, it's close. Couple points. Like I said, could do no wrong today, eh? Go long, go short.
Supposed to pop up a link. There we go. All right, 11, you click that link. It's going to take you to Futures Floor Mike.
Oh! I think I'm just going to take a piece off.
Say hi. He's on the stream now. And I will see everybody tomorrow morning. Mike, are you streaming tonight?
I have no idea. I can't tell you. Maybe yes, maybe no. We'll see. I know I'm streaming tomorrow morning, you and me, 9:15 or earlier. Yep. That's a given.
Earlier.
That's what you can
Mike
set your watch
may stream
to.
this evening. He does sometimes he don't. Go by, say hi. Appreciate everyone hanging out. And if people like streaming around this time, maybe we'll do it more. Let us know. And I'll see everybody tomorrow morning.
Okay. Take care, Omnius. See you later. Have a good afternoon. Yep.
Chat, Butters, Skeletor. See everybody later. Appreciate everyone hanging out.
Let's get up fake Omnius.
Yeah, he's definitely a better trader than I am. Later, guys.
Take care, Omnius. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Have a good afternoon. Have a good afternoon, Butter Stunts. Ah, look, we had an add to the entry. I'm going to take them all. Nope, that shouldn't be there.
Hey, how did you add brightness to the video?
To you? I just added it to you. Just to your block.
Click on the dot?
I added, no, when I to my screen capture in OBS, where I screen capture you. I added a filter and raised the gamma.
Gotcha. All right, later.
Take care. If we get a bullish candle on the 1 minute, I'm going to add to this as well. Again, following the logic of the bot that I coded. I don't mind. I mean, I'm up nice on this. And where's my stop? Just to let you know, I don't think I'm supposed to be in a 6 slot, to be honest with you. I think I accidentally clicked the button a little too many times here. There we go. Sell ask. I'm only supposed to be in, oh, well, hold on, a 1 lot. No wonder I got the wrong. Yeah, I'm screwing things up here, guys. I'm all nervous. It's like my first day trading. Okay, I'm supposed to be in a 2 lot, so let me add it. There we go. And if this closes as a bullish candle, you know what I love today? Today, everything's working out for me. Even that screwed things up. Oh my god, there we go. And the bot's even trading as well, but I'm going to do it manually. That's the where the bot entered. Put in the take profit right away. Now we watch, now we wait. Getting there, getting there. Push, push. Let's get the push. Let's get the push.
Push. Come on, push now. Do a nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, that was nice. But we didn't get there. Now we're down again. I'm not going to add too much, although it does involve adding. I'm not going to add here because we're close to the bands. It's not going to really serve any purpose. Okay. One, it wasn't me. I didn't get anything from the garage. Oh, yeah. Actually, I guess it was me when I went to go get the milk. Okay, so he was shopping, and all he saw was garbage. Shoulda, woulda, coulda added over there, but didn't. Gonna bring down my sell limit. Maybe not. Maybe yes. How about to there? To the top of the candle. Gonna take out the hideout candle. One more time. 91.75. There you go. I'm still holding a 2 lot. How about right at VWAP? Sell limit 1. And just a little bit above VWAP. Sell limit 1. I've been doing good with the system, right? Still pulling stuff in. 93, 95. There, one is gone. Took out the traded VWAP. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Why can't they all be like today? Woo! That's incredible. Really is. Yeah, right. Okay, let's look for the next trade. It's going so well today. Next trade will be a long. Not really trading. There you can see all the accounts yet. Only traded the one account over here in Apex today. Did trade 2 accounts with daytraders.com. They're both up 160, and 1 account with Bulenox. It's up 985. Just to give a quick recap. But we are moving away from the bands. I don't like to take a trade when we get too far away from the bands. Wow, it's a move. Jesus Christ. Shit. Guys, we're going to be catching some big moves soon. I couldn't even find your stream. Had to go to your channel. Yeah, I know. It's always like that. What can you do? Such is life. Okay, what's happening here? I have no explanation for that. It really makes no sense. I'm guessing even if you typed in futures floor, would have been the same thing. Hearing a weird noise, like water is dripping. It's warm in the basement. 33. Can I get filled at 26? We were down there for a bit. I'll take a one lot at 27. Not the greatest trade because we are trading right under previous day's low. But I am curious to try something, and today is the day to do it. It's only on one lot, even though all I'm doing is winning today. It's a crazy day. It's a crazy day. Let's see where this goes to. I'm going to try a small ad. Let's see if we can get up above my entry. I'll improve my price. That's all the entry was meant for. Are we going to turn red? We are going to turn red in 5 seconds. I have to bail on this one. There you go. At least it was only a 2 lot. There we go. We're going to bounce off. VWAP. I'm good taking this. Goes with my algo. And I even get to add if we get a bullish candle. So I kind of just replaced out my long before with a new one starting here. We just let it go. What do we look like on the hourly over here? Got a wick. When this candle closes in 12 minutes, I could see us taking out the highs at 6994, getting back over the 650 level. Nobody knows, but I could see it. Twelve seconds. 10, 6, 2. That is closing green. I'll add to the trade. 09. Let's go to 19. Sell limit. There we go. We got our take profit in there. Be fun if we can get the cash register to ring on this one, but I don't think it's going to. I'll ring it myself. Toot toot! Ching ching. That's it. Taken out. Trade out. Trade out. I could have taken more on that even because I had an entry at 19. Oh, whoa, no. 12. Sorry. Let me take that back. 12. I read it wrong. We got to get some sounds going here. Take care of that later. Dim in. Dealer draws 83. 19. Wah, wah. You know, I could still get in on this trade. Hey, guys, give me a second. I'm just going to put it on the, give me a second screen. You can still hear me. I'm still here. We can get a little higher, 5 to like 19. I think we are going to have the potential to take a long trade into the close. What is it, 251? 23. Let's get out over 19, otherwise it's not going to trigger. It hasn't triggered yet. We got to wait one more minute. But I do have other ways to enter. Oh, excuse me. 30 seconds. I am going to wait those 37 seconds, but once that's up, if we got a bearish candle, I will be entering. We did get our losses back. What are we at anyways? 507. Yep, we got it back. Oh, it's not a bearish candle. It's too bad. Look, it forms right at the start of the new minute. I gotta wait another minute now. I guess at that point, I'm going to want to see what we do at the previous day's low at 628. I mean, if we're dancing around and we can't get above that price, but even if we do, we got the 650 level. If you haven't seen what the 650 is, let me tighten this up here. The 650 level is where price took off and price took off. And price hesitated. So there is a bit of a level over there. Could definitely stall price a bit. Okay, we got a long. We got an official long. Let me go buy that. I don't mind. I'm going to put it in. I don't mind. I don't mind. What are we at? 25, 19, 726. I do have to say, 25 is a pretty crappy entry. I would have preferred at a better price. I'll just lighten up there. Yeah, even worse, 27.50 now. I think I'll take what the market gave me today. Oof. But I'm not even going to touch that. Orders. Cancel orders, positions, flatten everything. Okay, so that's good for me, guys. Thanks for hanging out. And I don't know, maybe I'll stream tonight, but probably not. I think I'll get some work done, and we'll be here tomorrow. Me and Omnius, 9:15 or earlier. Don't forget, there's a 91% sale at Bulenox and 50% off at daytraders.com. Daytraders.com, you pay one time on the eval fee. You don't pay monthly, so you don't get that stress near the end of the month. You know, that causes traders to blow their accounts because they don't want to get rebuilt. There is no rebill at the end of the month. Get that? Understand what I'm saying. There's one eval fee, one time. It's a one-time eval fee. It's 90% off. So you pay the 30 some odd dollars, $35, 33, 36, whatever it is, 37. You pay that amount one time. That's your eval fee. You don't get rebilled next month. And the activation fee is in line or even a little bit cheaper than the other firms. So that's a much better deal than paying it all up front, take profit trader, and then worrying about getting rebilled, blowing the account, putting in another $120. It's a deal and a half. So you guys should take a look at that, daytraders.com. I am biased. I'm an affiliate. I do get a small commission if you make that purchase, but it does help support the channel. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 or earlier. Thanks for hanging out.